Have you ever heard of vibe coding? It's the latest trend in software development that's transforming the way programmers work. But what exactly is it? Who started it? And how did it become so popular? Let's understand this cool concept in the simplest way possible. Vibe coding is all about coding in a flow state where you're fully focused, feeling good, and at your creative best. Developers create a mood or vibe using music, lighting, and AI tools to help them write better code faster. It's like turning your coding session into a creative jam session. Instead of just writing code like a machine, you're expressing ideas, solving problems, and enjoying the process. Who started Vibe? Coding and when? Vibe coding didn't start from one person or company. It grew organically during the remote work boom after 2020, when developers began customizing their home setups for comfort and productivity. But in recent years, startups like Replit and platforms like GitHub Copilot and Cursor AI started promoting this way of working by blending coding with AI support and personalized environments. In 2023, the term vibe coding started trending in the developer community, especially on Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube. How is it revolutionizing the software industry? Vibe coding is helping developers enter deep work more easily. That means fewer distractions, more creative solutions, and faster delivery. Tech companies are also realizing that giving developers the freedom to create their perfect vibe improves both code quality and team morale. Advantages of Vibe: coding increases productivity and flow, boosts creativity and out of the box thinking, reduces burnout and work stress, makes coding more fun and personal, encourages innovation through experimentation. Disadvantages of Vibe: coding. Some people can't always get into a vibe, not ideal for strict corporate setups or deadlines. Too much personalization can hurt team collaboration, may cause dependency on mood or setup. Vibe coding is not just about music or lighting, it's about creating the perfect mental space to do your best work. It's reshaping how developers write software and how companies support their teams. The question is, are you ready to vibe and code? Did you like this concept? Have you ever tried vibe coding? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights in a fun and simple way.